Hey, my name is Cody Hewlett, and due to the merits of the assignment and some recent stuff happening with my grandpa, he's built a 100-foot greenhouse, and people keep asking him if he'd grow weed in there. So, with the assignment and with that personal thing going on in my life, I decided to choose weed, marijuana, and cannabis. So what I found out that the categories of cannabis is I might slaughter these: sativa, indica, and a hybrid. Sativa is known for energizing and uplifting. Indica is known to be really strong and has a relaxing effect. But the hybrid is quote best of both worlds. You can get both of each of the effects, both relaxing and the energizing effects of cannabis. The difference between the two of them, I guess, is the leaf shape and what region they're from. So the effects of the drug is the muscles relax, it energizes you. The throat has a burning sensation during when you smoke it. Eyes are bloodshot and you have foggy vision. Brain is drowsy or lightheaded. Mouth turns dry. Heart quickens. Skin, I guess it has a hot and a cool sensation. They do have some effects with overdose. These are kind of the things that kind of happen. Dry mouth, shortness of breath, short-term memory loss, impaired motor skills, and paranoia. Now I want to move on to withdrawal and the symptoms of it. First is anxiety. Second, appetite changes. I guess when you smoke marijuana, you become more hungry, but I guess when you're withdrawing from it, become less hungry and you don't even notice you're being hungry. And the last one would be cramps. You have stomach cramps and digestion problems at that point. Some interesting things I looked up. There was the UN, United Nations Office of Drugs and Crime, said that some of the most popular countries that utilize marijuana would be first place would be Iceland. 18.3% of the population uses marijuana, which is funny because it's illegal in there. And second place kind of is a tie at 14%. Now here's the difference. Italy, they have decriminalized the use of personal use, but you can't produce or sell it. And Nigeria, over there, it's completely legal. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And they had a few other listed. Luckily, the United States wasn't too high on that list. Hope you enjoy it.